Well, the U.S. Supreme Court has ended President Biden's eviction moratorium, but here in California, tenants who are behind on their rent, well, they have a bit more time on their side.
Today in the Bay, Sharon Katsuda joins us live in San Francisco to show us why thousands of tenants, however, are pretty worried about this ruling.
That's right, Lauren. Marcus. Here in California, the eviction moratorium was extended until September 30th, but across the country, many of those behind in rent may not have those protections anymore. The CDC had extended the moratorium for COVID-related rental debt through early October, but the Supreme Court says the CDC does not have the authority to do that. Landlords had challenged the CDC, saying they're losing $19 billion a month on rent. Here in the Bay Area, cities such as San Jose, Oakland, and San Francisco have eviction moratoriums that also extend through the end of September. Landlords cannot evict the tenants in these areas due to unpaid rent. At this point, renters still must pay back that rent starting October 1st. At least 25% of what is owed since the pandemic began and when tenants stopped paying rent due to COVID-19 loss of job and financial hardship. Other states that have their own eviction moratoriums in place include New York, New Jersey, and Washington. California has also promised to pay 100% of low-income renters' debt during the pandemic, but a lot of renters saying that it's been a very slow process, so they're concerned about all these deadlines coming up. Back to you.
But they can get a little bit of help. Where can they turn if they still have some debt and this risk of eviction?
Well, Laura, they're told that they can turn to the state website and start the online process, but many people have done this dating back to several weeks ago when this was offered by the state to pay the full debt, and they're saying that they're receiving a lot of rejections or delays in that process, so they haven't even seen any of the funds. So a lot of frustration there.
Yeah, no doubt.
Back to you.
Thank you, Sharon.